We're exploring menu. May I see the menu, please? The menu includes many vegetarian options. This menu is available online for easy access. I was impressed by the extensive wine menu. The dinner menu changes seasonally to use fresh ingredients. She recommended trying the chef's special on the menu. The menu features a fusion of traditional and modern dishes. The digital menu allows for easy updates and modifications. Customers appreciate the menu's clear allergen information labeling. We're exploring order. Can I take your order, please? She decided to order a pizza for dinner. Please order your drinks at the counter. He forgot to add dessert to the order. The waiter promptly brought the order to their table. They checked their order to ensure everything was correct. She placed a special order for her favorite dish. He managed to order a complex custom meal perfectly. The restaurant kept losing track of the large group's orders. We're exploring reservation. I made a reservation for 2 at the restaurant. Do you have a reservation under the name Smith? Can I change my reservation to a later time? Our reservation was lost, but they found us a table. Is it possible to make a reservation for 10 people? They confirmed my reservation via email this morning. Despite our reservation, we had to wait for a table. We had a reservation, but the restaurant was unexpectedly closed. The reservation system was down, so I called the restaurant directly. We're exploring bill. Could you bring the bill, please? The bill was more expensive than I expected. They forgot to add the drinks to the bill. We split the bill equally among all of us. I prefer to pay the bill with my credit card. The service charge is included in the bill. Please double-check the bill for any mistakes. Her confusion arose when she saw the bill's total. Negotiating the bill was awkward but ultimately necessary. We're exploring tip. I always leave a tip for good service. Did you remember to tip the waiter? The tip is usually 15% of the total bill. She was thrilled with the generous tip she received. Is tipping expected in all countries? We decided to tip extra because of the holiday season. The service was so poor that I left no tip at all. Tipping can be a confusing aspect of dining for some tourists. She calculated the tip based on both service and ambiance quality. We're exploring waiter. The waiter brought us our delicious food. We asked the waiter for the bill after dinner. The friendly waiter recommended a great dessert. The waiter spilled wine on the table by accident. We tipped the waiter generously for excellent service. Our waiter was very attentive and refilled our drinks promptly. The waiter skillfully carried multiple plates without dropping any. Despite the busy evening, the waiter remained calm and efficient. The waiter apologized profusely for the delay in our service. We're exploring table. Can we have a table for 2, please? The waiter brought the menu to our table. Our table is by the window with a view. We need to reserve a table for Friday evening. Could you set the table for dinner, please? She spilled her drink all over the table. The table was elegantly decorated with flowers and candles. After dinner, we lingered at the table, enjoying the conversation. He meticulously arranged the seating plan around the main table. We're exploring appetizer. We ordered bruschetta as an appetizer to start the meal. The appetizers arrived before the main courses were ready. Could you recommend a good appetizer for us to share? The chef prepared a special appetizer for the wedding reception. Appetizers are often served to stimulate the palate before meals. We selected a variety of appetizers to sample at the party. The gourmet appetizers featured a delightful blend of flavors and textures. Many cuisines include traditional appetizers that highlight regional ingredients. Pairing the right wine with an appetizer enhances the dining experience. We're exploring main course. For the main course, I'll have the grilled chicken. Can you recommend a vegetarian main course? My main course was delicious, especially the sauce. The main course options include pasta, steak, and a vegan dish. Please ensure the main course is served promptly after the starter. The presentation of the main course was absolutely stunning. Our main course was accompanied by a delightful selection of sides and sauces. Despite being a simple dish, the main course was bursting with flavor. The chef's innovative twist on the traditional main course left us impressed. We're exploring dessert. Can I see the dessert menu, please? I always have ice cream for dessert. The chocolate cake is our best-selling dessert. Do you suggest any particular dessert here? This dessert is too sweet for my taste. After dinner, we indulged in a rich dessert. The chef crafted a dessert that was both artistic and delicious. Her dessert plate was an exquisite blend of flavors and textures. We finished the meal with a delectable dessert that left us satisfied.